Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my frizzy hair, it's very humid outside. Today we're going to be doing my May Boxycharm. So for those of you who don't know, what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription service. They send you 5 full-size products every single month and it is $25 US, I think. And I just pay the exchange rate, whatever the time is when I get billed. So let's get into it. This month's theme is Dare to Dazzle. I get to play on Pride Month. So the first product, this is the xoxo. And that's what we're gonna go with. This is their overnight lip mask. This lip mask is here to give your lips the extra smoochable edge. This miracle worker will resurface your lips, boosting hydration and leave them soft, subtle, I always hate that word, subtle, and smiling. And this retails for $19. So we're gonna put this on now, and then by the time I put on my lip at the end of this, we'll see it helped. So it says apply generous amount to lips prior to sleeping. Upon waking up, wipe with a damp cotton pad to remove. Oh, so you actually do have to remove this. So perfect, we'll put it on now, and then we'll remove it before we put on my lips. It doesn't really smell like anything. I really don't like these tubes. I wish it had an applicator because I can't just put it onto my lips. I gotta put it on my finger and then my lips. There we go. It is clear, no tint. It does have a scent, but I can't put my finger on what it smells like. That's nice. I was like getting lip balms and lip masks because I mean they're just something easy that you use all the time. So now next we have how do I say this name? Jacob Black June. We're gonna go with Jacob Black. This is their hydrating primer. It's funny because it's literally just like a bigger of this. Interesting, I've never seen a primer in this package. So this primer is finally a moisturizing primer that will help your makeup last longer. The Hydrate Primer will make your skin feel soft, hydrated, and ready for your base. This is vegan friendly and cruelty free, and they say that it instantly moisturizes and refreshes the skin, help making last longer. Apply over your face with your fingertips before makeup. And this retails, did I say how much it retails for? $20. Oh. I got it on my nose. It comes out white. Let's just put a little bit more. Rub it all over. As you can see, I'm a little dewy already and oily from my moisture. I mean, it's been a couple hours since I applied my moisturizer. Anyway, let's rub it in. Gonna be honest, kind of just feels like a moisturizer. Just doesn't have much of a scent, more of like a lotion-y scent, if you know what I mean. Yeah, looking at my skin, it literally just looks moisturized. This would be great if you have dry skin. I don't know, it doesn't seem like anything is special. Maybe we'll see once I apply my makeup. Maybe it'll be amazing. My foundation will just be so smooth, but so far I'm just like, eh. I feel like I could have just applied a moisturizer and get the same effect. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on my foundation and all that stuff, and I will be back to talk about the next product. Okay, I know I look a little funny. I'm like half done, but you'll understand when you see the next product. This is the Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. I must say, packaging super fun, except for it is plastic. I think it would be like so luxe and heavy, but it's just plastic. There you go. As you can see, it's like a highlight palette. So the description, this is a multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add perfect flirty flush. So it says sweep, layer, and swirl to create custom contour or glow using brush. Can be used multiple ways as a highlight, blush, bronzer, and eyeshadow for your face and body. So I guess the idea is that you could use these darker shades as a contour which I don't know in what world you would use such sparkly shades as a contour. This middle one is a blush, and then these two as highlights. Because, okay, let's do a little. Ooh, she's creamy. Ooh. I don't know in what world I would use that super shimmery as a bronzer. Like, this is just like all highlight to me, not gonna lie, guys. So here's the idea. I think we're going to try and dip into the deeper ones really lightly and like try and use it as a bronzer. Then we're gonna use some of these other shades as highlight. And then I didn't put any eyeshadow, sparkly eyeshadow on my lid because we're gonna try this on the eyes as well. I'm gonna try and use it as many ways as possible. We're gonna use this brush for the deeper shades. I don't think that added any pigmentation. It wasn't too shiny though. That's what I was afraid of. Okay. Okay, I'm not too impressed. Using it as like a bronzer topper didn't really do much. Now let's swirl in between the two lighter shades and go in as highlights. Oh, you can see the difference this side versus this side. Yeah, it's a very soft and creamy highlight. Let me set the face and then we'll do the eyes. If you saw my testing TikTok makeup hacks, an update on the setting spray one, I kind of like to do a combo where I'll spray my face and then I go in underneath my eyes. Really like it for my under eyes. Now let's try it on the eyes. I think I'm gonna go in with just my finger. We're gonna go into this second shade. Okay, so what I noticed is that when you first put it on, it's like, wow, but then as I try and blend it out, it gets softer, which does kind of make sense because it is formulated as more of a face powder. So face powders, you do want it to be more soft, sheeny, versus like as an eyeshadow, I'd rather have it impactful. And then I'm going to go into this tiny little fluffy brush and go into the lightest shade in my inner corner. Did I say how much this was? This was $34 and it's really nice, but I don't know if I would necessarily pay $34 for this because, I mean, I could easily use all the shades, but I wouldn't use like these darker ones as a face highlight. They're just too dark for my face. Probably would use these three. Oh, but see, like the darker shades didn't even show up that strong when I like lightly brushed it around. Basically, my thoughts are, I've said this before and I'll say this again, not really a fan of face palettes that have shades for all different skin tones because fortunately I won't use all of them, but I get why Boxycharm does it because that way they can just put one product in their box and it will fit everyone. So it's like, well, I personally don't like it. I get why Boxycharm does it, but besides that, the powders did work really nice. They look really nice on the skin, so yeah, it's not a bad product, but it's not like my favorite product ever. Okay, I'm gonna put on some lashes, liner, and then we'll come back for the next product. Okay, I'm back. It took me way too long to put on these lashes. The next product we have is a lip, and actually this is the one I picked out for this month. If you don't know, Boxycharm now lets you pick out one product a month, and I was a little late to it this month, so there wasn't many options left, so I picked this. This is the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. And do I own any of these? I think I do own one of these. This is a cult favorite lip pencil, instantly delivers an impact of a matte lipstick with the spontaneity of a pencil. The long-lasting, non-drying formula is enriched with vitamin E and emollients for a creamy texture that ensures a seamless matte color for hours. And this is the shade Dolce Vita. Most of them were like bright colors. I picked the like only neutral one. So let's remove the lip mask. I wouldn't say that my lips are like super hydrated still, but like it's kind of already sort of gone. Now that might just be because I've been like putting on makeup and talking, but not necessarily the most thick mask. Okay, Let's go with this lip pencil. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this is $27 US. If you want to know the Canadian pricing, I try and put it in my blog post. And there we go. Really nice color. I mean, I picked it. Great for everyday wear. And I think it matches my top and my eyeshadow pretty well. Nice and comfortable, especially because we had that hydrating lip mask under. This is a really good everyday lip color and formula. Okay, and the last product is this bad boy. Oh, it's hard to see because it's white. There you go. This is a Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. This is an advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify the skin by removing pore clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. So I'm going to insert a clip here of me using it. I've already used this once. It's actually really interesting how you use it. You put it into your hands, then you add water and then lather, and then you put it on your face and then you rinse. I've never used like a face cleanser that the instructions are like that, but it was pretty good. It does a good job of removing all my makeup. I'm gonna have to test this out a little bit more before I can let you guys know definitively if I love it or not. That is why I do a blog post at the end of the month giving you a little bit more in-depth thoughts on the products after I've tested them a few more times. But this is $32 and I love getting cleansers in my box. I love getting skincare in general in my box. So the total for this box, let's add her up. So the total of this box is $134 US. Not necessarily the most expensive box I've ever gotten. I've gotten definitely more expensive. I think like last month's was quite expensive. And definitely not the most amazing box I've ever got. I mean, I don't think that anything is necessarily bad, but I wouldn't say it's the most like wow worthy. I think like the lip balm and the primer, they're pretty average, nothing special. Palettes, I basically am gonna use it as a highlight palette and I own so many highlights. Yeah, it's like good, but it's nothing like to write home about. I'm excited to test out this cleanser more and I really do like this lip, but like I said, I was the one who picked it out. So overall, not a bad box, but I wouldn't say it's necessarily the most exciting box that I've ever got. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and if you get Boxycharm, did you get the same stuff as me or did you get a different box? I'm always curious. That is it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like this video to let me know you want to see more makeup related videos, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new videos, especially because I don't know what my schedule is going to be like going forward, so I might be posting all over the place. So it's important to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. That is it for today, guys, and I'll see you in another video super soon. Bye!